Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Nwantiti on guitar. First, let's identify the core chords. You'll need to know a minor, G major, C major, and F major. These four chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on getting a clean sound from each chord, ensuring all strings ring out clearly. Then, practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a fluid movement without pauses. This foundational step is crucial for building your playing. Now, let's dive into the strumming pattern. A popular and effective pattern for Love Nwantiti is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each strum is deliberate and even. The key is to maintain a consistent tempo, keeping a steady beat from start to finish. This rhythm is what gives the song its infectious groove, so pay close attention to how it feels. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. The beauty of Love Nwantiti on guitar lies in its simple, repetitive chord progression. You'll use the same four chords, a minor, G major, C major, and F major throughout the entire song. Both the verse and chorus sections utilize this exact sequence. Once you're comfortable with the individual chords and the strumming, try playing through the full song. Don't worry about perfection initially. Just focus on maintaining the flow and hitting those chord changes. To truly elevate your playing, here are a few helpful tips. First, consider using a capo on the first fret. This will allow you to play in the song's original key, matching the recording. Second, listen to the original track frequently. This helps you internalize the timing, feel, and nuances. Finally, consistent practice is paramount. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to reinforce what you've learned, and you'll see significant improvement in your guitar skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.